Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cool shake effect by using the keyframes on the effect. So here you need to add your clips and then go to the video effects and then just click on the nightclub category and select the vibration flash effect. Okay, this one. Put all the settings into 100 like this. Click on a check icon and trim the effect and put the effect in between the clips like this. And now go to the video effects again and add the shake effect, this one. Click on a check icon and now click on the object and select all videos. Put the shake effect at the center of the first effect like this, and now at the center in the middle here, add a keyframe and put the speed and also intensity into 100. Now add two keyframes at the start and also the end of the effect and put the speed 50 and intensity 0. Okay, this is the last keyframe. Okay, so now it will look like this, and then click on the second clip and add keyframes at the end of the clip and also the start, and on the first keyframe zoom the clip in like this. Now go to grabs and select the ease out 3. Okay, click still on the second clip, go to animation, in, and then select the shake to effect. Okay, this one. Click on a check icon and you are done. The result will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.